Most people were never taught how to connect. They feel invisible every day. But social skills are not a talent, they are a learned competency. These skills predict long-term success. Today we break down every social skill you need, step by step. Skill 1. Active listening. It's the foundation. It's not just hearing, it's understanding and responding. True connection starts with presence. When you're distracted, the other person feels it. They stop opening up. You lose the connection instantly. The fix is simple. Eye contact, nodding, and paraphrasing. This makes people feel psychologically secure. Skill number 2. Emotional intelligence. It's your ability to manage your own emotions and influence the emotions of others. Research shows EQ is often more important than IQ for professional success. Without EQ, we react impulsively. We say things we regret in the heat of the moment, damaging trust that took years to build. The fix is the strategic pause. Before reacting, ask yourself, how am I feeling? And what does this person need right now? This small step changes your entire social presence. Skill number 3, empathy. This is the ability to step into another person's perspective. It's the difference between judging someone and truly understanding them. Demonstrate empathy by validating their experience, even if you disagree. Say, I can see why that would be difficult. This simple validation builds instant rapport. Skill number 4, nonverbal communication. Research suggests up to 93% of communication is nonverbal. It's not just what you say, it's how you stand, move, and look while saying it. Closed body language, like crossed arms or avoiding eye contact, can signal defensiveness or boredom, even if you're actually interested. You could be sending the wrong message without speaking a word. The fix is awareness. Use open hand gestures and maintain relaxed posture. These cues are perceived as warm and energetic, instantly making you more approachable and persuasive. Skill number 5, conflict resolution. Conflict is inevitable, but it doesn't have to be destructive. Mastering this skill transforms disagreements into opportunities for growth and innovation. Shift from win-lose to win-win. Focus on underlying interests rather than positions. By setting clear expectations, you can prevent most avoidable conflicts before they even start. Skill number 6, self-awareness. It's the cornerstone of all social competence. This means recognizing your own emotional triggers, biases, and how your presence is perceived by others. Without self-awareness, you have blind spots. You might unintentionally dominate conversations or miss social cues, hurting your impact without even realizing it. The fix is reflective practice. Regularly ask trusted peers for feedback. Identifying your triggers allows you to manage them before they manage you. Knowledge is power. Skill number 7, assertiveness. This is the ability to express your needs and boundaries clearly and respectfully. It is not about winning, it's about standing your ground with respect. Practice I statements. Instead of blaming, say, I feel frustrated when... This communicates your boundaries without making others defensive. It's a game changer for your confidence. Skill number 8, adaptability. Social dynamics change rapidly. Being flexible means adjusting your tone and behavior based on the cultural and situational cues of your environment. Rigid behavior leads to awkward encounters. If you can't read the room or adjust your energy, you'll struggle to connect in diverse settings. The fix is social monitoring. Observe the mood and match the energy level of the group before leading it where you want to go. Flexibility is a superpower in any social setting. Skill number 9, building rapport. This is the click that makes interactions feel smooth. It's about finding common ground through shared interests and open-ended questions. Use mirroring. Subtly match the other person's posture or pace. This non-verbal alignment signals that you are in sync, building trust instantly. Skill number 10, giving and receiving feedback. Constructive feedback is essential for growth. Cultivating the ability to accept criticism without defensiveness is a hallmark of a high-functioning social mind. The fix is focus. When giving feedback, focus on the behavior, not the person. When receiving it, view it as a trial and error learning process rather than a personal attack. Skill number 11, collaboration. This involves sharing responsibility toward a common goal. Teams with high social sensitivity create psychological safety, the #1 factor in high-performing teams. Finally, skill number 12, self-advocacy. This is the ability to communicate your own needs and rights effectively. Learning to ask for the resources you need is a vital pro-social behavior. Bonus skill, small talk mastery. For many, the hardest part of socializing is the empty space. But small talk isn't about being clever, it's about being a bridge to deeper connection. The fix is the Ford method. Ask about family, occupation, recreation, or dreams. These 4 topics are universal and guaranteed to get people talking about what they love. Finally, charisma. Charisma isn't magic, it's presence. It's the energy you bring to the room. When you are fully present and authentically yourself, people are naturally drawn to you. You now have the ultimate toolkit for social success. From active listening to authentic charisma, these skills will change your life. Start practicing today. Subscribe for more.